Hello friend, welcome to Batti YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Apex Future funded account. Apex Future is a future and option trading brokerage firm based in the United States. They offer a variety of services related to future trading, including the option or to open a funded trading account. Here are some general information about funded account with Apex Futures. What is a funded account? A funded trading account is a type of trading account where the trader receives capital from a third party firm, in this case Apex Future. To trade with, the trader is not using their own capital but is still trading with the firm money. In return, the trader typically share a portion of the profit with the firm, and there may be specific rules and condition attached to the account. Requirement to quality for a funded account with Apex Futures. You will likely need to meet certain requirement. This requirement can vary but may include heavy a minimum level 2 of trading experience, a certain amount of trading capital, and meeting specific risk management criteria. Risk management. Funded trading account often come with strict risk management rules. These rules are in place to protect both the trader and the firm providing the funds. For example, there may be daily or weekly loss limit then the trader cannot excuse. Profit sharing. When you trade a funded account, you should typically a percentage of your trading a profit with the firm. The specific profit share arrangement will depend on the terms and conditions set by Apex Future. Trading platform. You will likely use Apex Future trading platform for a platform. They recommended to execute trades on your funded account. Fees and cost. There may be fees associated with trading a funded account, and this can vary depending on the firm and the specific account agreement. Training and support. Some firms, including Apex Future, may provide training and support to traders using funded account to help them success. Legal and regulatory consideration. It's important to be aware of the legal and regulatory framework of for funded account in your distribution. In the United States, for example, there is a specific regulation governing future trading, and Apex Future will need to comply with this regulation. सो गाइस, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।